and welcome back to my channel. I have such an exciting video for you guys today. I'm actually going to be doing a bit of a vlog. So I am actually using my iPhone at the moment because my other camera isn't really good for vlogging. And I really didn't want to miss this opportunity because I am getting ready for the Louis Vuitton Fall Winter 24 launch event. So I am so excited for that. I have half my face on. I'm going to do the rest soon. It is going to be the men's Fall Winter 24 collection launch with the collaboration with Timberland. So I'm going to kind of keep it very low key, kind of very like understated in terms of the makeup. I'm not going to go like too overt. But yes, I am getting ready and I'm so excited. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen all of these snippets and everything, because by the time that this video goes up, everything would have been uploaded on Instagram already. So I'm not sure how long the video is going to be, but I will definitely kind of show you guys my outfit, my choice for the event tonight. And then I will also kind of bring you guys along, obviously. Yeah, it should be super exciting. The last time I went to this event, or any Louis Vuitton event actually, was like ages ago. Obviously, you know, with COVID and everything, it is quite difficult for them to kind of host this kind of stuff. So I am kind of running short on time. So I will be right back with my outfit and my finished face. Hey guys, so this is my final look. Very understated, very kind of, you know, not over the top. I'm gonna be in the bathroom here, which is much better lighting, but look at that. I am very happy. Slight contouring just here and along the nose, and then everything else very earthy tones, very kind of, you know, browns and greens around the eyeshadow, and then like a kind of, yeah, like an earthy red on the lip, almost like a pink, but just a little bit of almost like red dirt. Yeah, because it's very, if you have seen the Louis Vuitton campaign for the Timberland collaboration, you would see that it's very like cowboy-y and western and everything, and yeah, like American frontier, like, you know, 200 years ago. So yeah, I will put together my outfit as well. It's going to be a very androgynous look. So hopefully you guys will enjoy it, a little bit of eye candy, and then we're going to have to go. So I will be driving to the event. And yeah, so I will be right back. Just going to do my hair as well. All right, you guys, all done. This is my outfit for the evening. So what am I wearing? So I have, oh, I forgot my bag. Hold on. And so here is the complete outfit with my bag as well. So, excuse me, I am actually a little bit sick. So I do apologize. It was the worst timing ever. I just really didn't want to be sick, but I am. I literally feel like Emily in Devil Wears Prada now. And I'm like, nope, I'm not sick. I'm not sick. I am definitely going to this event. After tonight, I will definitely be resting for a while. Okay, so I have done my hair. I have given it a little curl to kind of bring all the features up. And this is my final makeup look. Again, very earthy tones, all done. I'm wearing my Hermes H necklace in 18 karat gold, rose gold. This is my Batwing or bat sweater, something like that, from Louis Vuitton. It is from the LVNight collection and it is completely backless. It is so gorgeous. The silhouette is amazing. So there is an elastic that comes down to here. I have done an unboxing on this already, so go check that video out if you haven't watched it. For my pants, I am going with the Louis Vuitton. So this is from the LVNight collection, which was released earlier this year. This is my Louis Vuitton SS19 wide leg denim pants or jeans. So this is from Virgil Abloh's first ever collection when he was the director of, the creative director of Louis Vuitton. He's obviously passed away now. And so this, you know, all the stuff that I got from the SS19 collection, which I did a massive unboxing for, that is one of my most watched videos, so go check that one out. I bought so much and I'm so glad that I did because they are all collector's pieces now. So my handbag is the Louis Vuitton Petite Malle in the python with the gold hardware. Gorgeous. I unboxed this as part of my Europe trip, so go check that out if you haven't seen that one. Just back on the shoes. So the shoes at the moment, my brand new Valentino Chelsea boots, or not Chelsea boots, but just like kind of booties with the square toe. I was one of the lucky ones that was able to pre-order the Louis Vuitton and Timberland collaboration. So I actually have a pair of that waiting for me at the Louis Vuitton store for the event tonight. So when I get there, guys, I am going to unbox the Timberland collaboration, and then I'm going to put those on and swap out these shoes, and then have a look at my outfit and see what you guys think. This is my look for the evening, guys. I'm so excited. Okay, I have to go now. I am finally on time for once rather than running late. If you've been following me for a while, you will know that I am like always late to all of these events. So I'm actually very proud of myself tonight. So I am going to hop in the car and head off. Yes, oh my god, they're so gorgeous. Are those limited editions? Yes.
Orders, it's not what we placed it recently.
Hi guys, so I am back and I am in the Louis Vuitton change room. A little bit of privacy so I can actually chat to you guys. So to catch you up, basically what I'm doing right now is just trying this on because I did not see this in the online collection, so I haven't seen it. And my SA was like, oh, I think it'll look really, really good. So why don't you try it on? So I have, and I just think it's a little bit too big. Look at this, it just comes right down. Rather than staying up. But anyways, so the event is obviously a lot of fun. It's so exciting. There's a DJ. We got a little tattoo here as well. A little temporary tattoo, of course. Ooh. So cute. Yeah, so I couldn't actually talk to you like whilst I was driving because in Australia, it is actually illegal to use your phone while you're driving, so I couldn't really update you or chat to you guys. This is the event, and I think I'm about to wrap up because it's just a couple of cocktails, meeting a few people, which is super nice, and just catching up with my SA, so yeah. And these are the Timberlands. Oh my god, this is the Louis Vuitton Timberland collection, the collaboration, I should say. So good. Look at that. Ooh, I love these so much. They look so good, and it's the monogram version. So it's not the plain one, but it has the monogram all over the shoe. Ooh, I'm so happy, guys. Okay, so I think I am going to sign off because I am so tired and I need to get home and I need to sleep. So thank you guys so much for watching. It was a super short vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did get told that there would be another event come the end of August celebrating Nicolas Gessier's 10th anniversary as creative director. So fingers crossed I get an invitation, because that one's going to be big. Like that one is like an out of the store, like special invite only. So okay, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.